And now we're going to show you a fantastic dish which involves again 100 grams of chicken, which is 172 calories, 100 grams of tomatoes, which is 23 calories, pint of fat-free milk, a little bit of cloves, nutmeg and a bay leaf. Now for that we have to boil the milk. We have to bring the milk to simmering point. So we put the bay leaf, cloves, nutmeg, salt and pepper. Take the skin from the chicken, because in the skin there is the most of the fat. We want fat-free chicken. Once you've seen that the milk starts steaming, then you put your chicken inside for 15 minutes. It's very important to control the temperature so the milk is not boiling and it's just simmering, and from time to time just here make sure that the milk is not catching on the bottom. 3-4 minutes before our chicken is ready, we can heat a pan to char our lovely sweet cherry tomatoes. You can try the chicken by pushing, and if it's like much harder than before, obviously it's ready, it's cooked. So you can put it on side. When the pan is hot, we put the tomatoes in. And just leave it till the tomatoes are ready. We'll take the chicken to rest. After 3 minutes, we'll turn the tomatoes. Bit of salt. And that's it. Our tomatoes are ready as well. Milk poached chicken breast with the charred tomatoes. Under 200 calories. I hope you enjoy cooking with us. Please subscribe.